That's live. That's live. That's cool. Cool. Austin, Jay, what's up? Going back to my roots. Please. Learning how to stream again. Please check your streaming settings set to 30 frames. Fine. Let's see here. Output. Oh, I can't change my frames. Oh well. Here we go. I'm streaming. It's good to be back. All right, let's close this. Austin recovery from 4th of July. Nice. All right. I will close this, and this. Oh, I'm streaming. Ain't that a thing? All right, X Adam, thank you for your support. Welcome. All right, let's just get started, yeah? All right, so I'm going back to my roots. I am going back to my roots, and whenever I learn something, I always like to record it and share with everyone what I've learned. That's what I've been doing on this YouTube channel since I started. And the last time I live streamed was July 31st, 2021. So about 3 years ago, and I'm back. So a lot has happened. Yeah, so I'm back streaming. And like I showed you in my trailer, in my previous video that I published, it's not about the tool that you use. It's not about which tool is better. It's which tool can help you help your clients, which then helps their clients much better. All right. Yeah, AOL. Back in the AOL days. Yeah. That's how I started my web design career. Started to learn AOL member pages. All right. So, basically why I'm live streaming is because I just want to show an uncut, unscripted learning of Wix Studio, right? It's been always in my mind of like what's out there beyond Webflow. You know, you have other competitors out there. You have Wix Studio, Framer is a big one. Web Studio is another up and comer. There's a lot. Versoli, Y Code. Like I've keep an eye on all of these different technologies, and in the background, all they are doing is producing code. And the most basic code is HTML and CSS. So as long as you have that fundamental knowledge of HTML and CSS, in my thinking, if you have those foundational knowledge, you can bring it over to any platform, or so I hope. So I've signed up for Wix Studio. I haven't clicked on the create site ever in my life, and you're gonna watch me fumble through it. Now, I'm not gonna be comparing Webflow to Wix. What I'm doing is I'm a complete beginner. If I were to just jump into Wix with the foundational knowledge of HTML and CSS, what is my life going to be like? All right. There's probably going to be some things I like, probably some things I don't like, some things I'm confused about, but hey, first time user experience, right? So step out of your comfort zone and learn something new. All right. So let me start with a scripted intro being unscripted. So here we go. All right. So thanks for joining me today. So I'm going to do something a bit different on this channel. I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and try other platforms beyond Webflow. And if you're from the Wix community and we haven't met yet, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Nelson, also known as the Pixel Geek. I'm going to make this fast. There we go. All right. So I've been in the web design industry for over 20 years, and for 10 of those years, I've exclusively been using Webflow. It's been my bread and butter. It's what I latched onto back in 2013. And for 8 of those years, I was an early employee at Webflow. And I've been watching the many twists and turns of this industry, and it's been a wild ride. From the GeoCities and MySpace days to Microsoft Front Page, WordPress, to Joomla, Flash and Dreamweaver, to the modern age of low-code platforms and generative AI tech. So yeah, I'm old, but what has been the main reason I stay in this ever-changing industry is that there is something new to learn every day. With these new learnings, you can help make someone's day just a bit better. So now let's learn Wix Studio together and make a brand new website from scratch. Yay! Hey Scott, how you doing? Smash it, like button, publish button, yeah. Hit that like button, guys. Thank you, Adam, for your support. Really wasn't expecting a lot of people today. I was expecting 0 people. So the fact that there's Adam, Scott, Austin, Ready Designer One, and Jay, thank you all so much. So let's get to it. What am I doing? All right, we're gonna start with design. So I just used Gen AI to give me this right here. Give me a basic layout for a website. And all I want to do today is create a very, very basic site, which is a home page, a blog page, and that's it. All right, and try to make it mobile, all within an hour. Will I be able to do it? I don't know. We'll probably skip a couple sections, but this is what ultimately I'm trying to go for right here. All right. Super simple, nothing crazy, not even animations. We'll probably add interactions if they have any, fade in, scrolling, parallax. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's get to it. This right here. Oh boy. Here we go. If you're a Wix community member, you're probably going to be like, what is he doing? But this is me fumbling through life, right? Here we go. Click. Okay, new tab. All right. I want a blank canvas. I want to learn from scratch. Here we go. All right. Okay, loading. Okay. It's very much light mode. I don't think there's a dark mode on this UI. All right. Yeah, okay, so, interesting. Okay, so you have a canvas, and there's hardly any buttons. Usually, in Webflow, you get all the styles. I'm gonna guess this is styles. Okay. They give you a nav bar straight off the bat. Interesting. Okay, all right, so I have my style. So my first thought was, I need to build a nav bar, obviously. So let me go back to my design right here. So I need a nav bar that's super simple and responsive. Logo, 2 links, home, and transmissions. This should be easy. I have home already. Thank you. All right. So if I want to add a new one, I'm already scared. Why am I scared? Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to double click. Okay. Double click. Add an item. Main pages. I haven't even made a new page yet, but the main pages. Okay, now it's getting cut off here, and I can't scroll left and right. So there's a UI issue here, but yeah, I'm getting scared, but it's okay. Just go with the flow. Submenu title, no. Okay, so I guess I have to create a new page first before adding it up to here. So, all right. That makes sense. So, is this already responsive? I'm guessing it's already responsive if I go like this. Yep. Let me preview it. Eyeball means preview. Makes sense. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's any animations that happen except for right here. Wait, I go to X to X? Oh, okay, it's just a little... Okay, I get it. All right. Wait. Oh, edit site. Okay, I was... I don't know about that UI right there. Where I click on preview, and I want to turn off preview. I was looking for the eyeball. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, we got some more people. We got Jasmine, Claude, welcome. I love how the first thing you look for is dark mode. Yep. I mean, everyone's dark mode, right? I don't mind light mode. Here we go. Back on desktop. All right, so the first part is done for me. I just wanted a simple nav bar, and it was already done. So, cool. Let's move on. Let's, a hero row. Seems super simple. It's not two columns. You just have a section, a hero section with a background image and text, 2 buttons. This is probably going to be flexbox. This whole thing's going to be flex vertical, whereas the 2 buttons right here is going to be flex horizontal. Let's get to it. All right, so I have a new section. Grid. I don't want a grid layout. Oh, okay. Designed section. All right, I'm going to click on this first. Design section. Okay, so they give you some templates straight off the bat. This one looks the closest to what I'm trying to do. But let's just see what else they have. Okay, that's it. That's all they have. I mean, yeah, let's go for the simple one right here. But I don't want that overlap. I'm hoping this image is a background image that I can pull it all the way to the left. But do I have to click and drag or just single click? Click. Okay, single click. There we go. All right. Now now my mind is going, when do I start adding CSS? Because I want a container. Because I'm thinking from a developer's point of view. So we have this size set to 1265 and asterisk. What does the asterisk mean? What does the asterisk mean? But I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to copy this text. Paste it in here. Cool. Oh, okay. I thought the overlap was going to stay, but no, it pushed it up. Let's go ahead and get other copy, paste it in here. Cool, cool, cool. All right, now I want a second button. So I have learn more. My mind is telling me Command D for duplicate. Will it work? It did, Command D. Okay, so a couple of hotkeys that are shared across the designer space. Claude's saying, good luck understanding their new cells. I still don't get it. The asterisk means it's set to scale. Okay, thank you. Thank you for teaching me. All right, so I want these buttons to be in one row. I feel like I'm missing something here. Let me delete this. Okay, so I have a stack. Okay, I understand stacks. We have in Webflow there's quick stack, and so I want to stack this horizontally. Can I put a stack within a stack? Ooh. Quick add. What's quick add? Stacks? Stacks on stacks? Layout tools. I'm trying. Flexboxes, that's what I want. It's giving me predefined things, and I'm looking for something simple. Webflow has a thing called quick find, so I'm hoping this has a quick find. Let me... Command E? Nope. Command K? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. And my music just stopped. Hold on. Where'd my music go? There we go. I don't want grid. I just want 2 buttons side by side. Is this too much to ask? Okay, so we have a cell, we have a stack. I'm guessing... Okay, we have layers here. Okay, so layers. I'm just going to duplicate this. and they're on top of each other. Okay, already I'm like getting scared. Why did it duplicate? So my mind was thinking if you duplicate, this one would go right under it. That was my thought, but it's not. It's like doing a position absolute, which I am not a fan of position absolute because of the responsive web. You cannot have everything absolute. You stack the two buttons similar to auto layout, and you have to click both buttons. Oh, you can multi-select? You have to click both buttons and click stack. How do I... Okay, let me try it. Command D. And again, if you're familiar with Wix Studio and you're seeing me fail over and over and you're getting frustrated to the point where you want to leave the stream, I don't blame you. This is learning. Okay, cool. You could multi-select layers or elements. You have to click both. Ah, there it is. So I clicked on both, and then I have to stack, and I want to do stack horizontal right there. Interesting. Because in my mind, I was trying to bring in a stack element and then put child elements within it. But this one is like right then and there. Interesting. All right, moving forward. Learn more, sign up. So now we have the learn more. I'm going to double click. I want to change the text. Okay, sign up. I don't know what you're signing up for. And let's change it. Let's do our first style change. There's no classes. There's no classes. What happens if I change the background to transparent? Nope, that's duplicate. Duplicate, interesting. Transparent, but I want the text to be black. Is that... That's color... okay, color pick color. Okay. Okay, so these are like variables down here. Right. Cool. I don't want... Oh, that's 4%. 0. There we go. Borders. I want one pixel everywhere. Okay, so I understand what the locked means. It means if you do it here, it does it on all sides. So I'm going to do 1, and I want the color to be black. There we go. We're off to the races. All right. Sweet. Next one, image. Is this a background or is this an inline image? I can't tell. I feel like it's an inline image because this has a background thing right here. So I'm going to delete it. And I want this whole section to have a background. Okay, we have it right here. Okay, media, add image. Can I just drag in? I cannot. All right, hold on. Let me try to upload it real quick. You're gonna see my face. Yeah, I wanted to just drag in, but now I have to click on upload. Let's see here. Okay, so after you click upload, it shows this. And this feels like Upload Care, a third party. Can I drag it in here? Okay, it's uploading. There we go. Okay. Change background is what I'm feeling. There we go. Okay. Cool. How do I... Okay. Select the focal point of the media. Right here. Select the focal point because I want to move the rocket to the right. Oh, what is this? Okay. I want this to be the focal point. Is this just background position? Background dash position in CSS? Scale to fill. Oh no, original size. Can I move it? Yeah, it's background position. So it's another way of saying background position without actually saying it. Interesting. All right, we'll try that. And now it's hard to read this text, so can I make this whole cell the text white? Where's text? I can't. So in CSS, you can take a parent element and say text dash color, or no, you can just say color colon white, right? But it looks like in Wix Studio, you have to click on each text thing and then change it to white like that. Now, am I adding too much code to the page because I'm doing this, or do they compress it or something? Oh, Janae's here. Welcome, Janae. Yeah. Jasmine, I do feel like I do like that you can easily change which portion of the background image shows. Yeah, you can add custom CSS. Yep, I've seen that. Learn how. Oh, it takes me to a support page. Wait, how do? Okay. Cool. Okay, now they have classes. Oh, this is very dev. Oh, you have to click on that button. Okay. So let me see here. Let's do a super simple CSS. Let's remove those font colors. Hello, font colors, where are you? What? Font colors, hello? Am I missing it? What just happened? Adjust is not it. Yeah. I'm gonna undo. Okay, we're there. So this cell, I want everything to be CSS. Advanced CSS grid. No. Add custom CSS. Start coding. Interesting. You're scrolling past it? Okay, sorry, Janae. Again, if you're getting frustrated with what I'm doing... Whoa. If you're getting frustrated with what I'm doing and you want to leave the stream, go ahead. Okay, color. How did I miss it? Anyways, what I'm trying to do is make all of these white with CSS. Hey, I'm seeing some IDs right here. Text 4, text 3, box 1. Everything's an ID and not a class. This is different. Right, well, cell, box 3. Can I... Oh, geez. Code? No. Okay. Scared. No. Go back. There we go. Okay, this is JavaScript. CSS. Add a global CSS file. Create a custom class. Yeah, we're not gonna get to the blog portion of this stream. This is gonna take a while. I just want to color everything white, and I'm having... I don't know. Let's call it... Do I have to put a dot? Dot hero? No. Hero. So I'm going here, typing in hero, enter. What happens to my life? Okay. All right. Dot hero. I can't type. Hero color is white. Simple enough. Right. How do I apply the CSS? code properties? Oh, man. So with all these low code, no code tools, when you're coming from a developer point of view, you just want to code everything. But I totally understand what all these products are doing. They're trying to make it easier for people to learn how to code without having to write the code, which is awesome because it lowers the barrier of entry for people to build on the web. I love that core concept for all of these low-code tools. It's what got me into Webflow. But I'm hoping that we're not adding bloated code to the web by making everything IDs and not classes. So, yeah. Click run. I will click run. Cool, it ran. Sorry, X Adam. All right, well, let's just keep moving on. I'm gonna change the colors back to what they were. I can't find the. Okay, there it is. So I dipped my toe into the code feature, and it was a bit too cold for me for this first time jumping in. So, yeah. Text, there we go. Okay. So why is this, I guess, because I was looking for the color picker. That's the same as this one. Like this one has a color picker right here. Like that. But this one is different. See how the color picker is like this? So they give you other options, but interesting. All right, moving on. Next one. So yeah, let's go ahead and make some blog posts. Let's make something dynamic. So plus, I want a blog. Nikki, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Start a blog, okay? Site. So it's doing a lot in the background. Things about these right here is it's just a way to keep your eyes engaged while it's doing a lot of stuff in the background. And I always wonder, are they really doing what it's saying it is in the pop-up? Yo. Hello. Okay, the reason why okay, I got scared. Okay, so two things happened to my brain. One, I was like, yo, this is already near what I was trying to do anyways, which is this design. And then two, I got scared because I was like, where's the hero row that I spent 15 minutes on? And then I looked up here. Oh, okay, I'm on the blog page. I'm not on the home page. So I'm going to go here, go to home. All right, it's still here. How can I add that section in here? Where'd my blog go? So let me go back to blog, I guess. I'm going to copy this whole section. Right click. Let me go layers. No. Yes. Right click. Copy element design? No. I want to Command C. Go back to home. And click here, Command V. Whoa, my cam is glitching. Oh, it's the whole... Hold on. Turn it off. Let's see here. Where's the camera? Let's see here. My bad. Let me remove it. You know those stupid things, animations that Mac OS puts when you're doing like a thumbs up? Zoom reaction striking it. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I gotta turn them off. Hold on. Let me see here. Virtual camera. Facecam Pro. And we're back. Okay, let me add my camera back in. Well, that was fun. Boom. Hello. Whoa. And we're back. Reactions. How do you turn that off? Apple, we didn't want that in the first place. Like a ghost in a swamp. It was actually a balloon, but yeah, it's so weird. All right, let's keep going. All right, so we're on this page, and what I'm trying to do is add the blog post, or add the blog list into here. So kind of confused, but let's go to blog. Ah, blog list. No blog. Ah, yeah. Okay, so these are different ways to do it. Clicking it. Where to go? Hello? Hello? I clicked it and nothing happened. I don't want it in there. Okay, deleted it. Okay, that was weird. That's section 2. That's my footer. Here, if I click here, press plus, and I want these right there. Don't want it there. Let's put it. Ooh, I can't drag in here? Hello? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm scared. Place blog list on the page. Okay. I'm gonna try again. It's all about learning. It's all about learning. Quick add. I'm gonna put a section. Oh, okay. I have a section right here. I don't want pre-designed ones. I just want a regular section. Containers? Empty container, sure. No. I'm trying to learn. Add a section, then drag. Yeah, okay, I'll try. A section. I just want a blank one. It's giving me all these, and I'm like, no, thank you. Sometimes when, like, section grids. There's times when tools just overly help you. They're like, I want to hold your hand and make sure I don't let go because I want to show you this new world. And it's like, can you just show me an empty box first? So hover over a line between. Thank you, Janae. I get it. So she's saying hover over in between the two sections and then you can click add section. Thank you. Yeah. There we go. A design section. No, I want a blog. And put it in here. Okay, I get it. Different way of thinking. It's I'm done with this section and I want to add a new one. So you go in between. Yep, you go in between and say add a new section. Okay, that's making sense. Now I'm going to manage my posts. Can we put sample data? AI. Everyone has AI. Give me create a post with AI. Okay. Reserving a hotel room in space. Travelers. How to, number of words, I don't know, 500. Sure. One image, casual, create post. Art, just tuned in. One big question, in your opinion, as a Webflow specialist, is it worth it to learn Wix Studio as well? It is worth it to learn, if you have the time, worth it to learn HTML and CSS, the fundamentals. That's the fundamental of the web, HTML, CSS. You have to learn those two pieces of code. You don't have to memorize everything, but understand the core concepts. That'll help you use any tool, Webflow, Wix Studio, Web Studio, Framer, Versoli, Ycode, whatever. And you can make the best decision for your client. I'm not saying one is better than the other. I'm saying learn so that you're more flexible to help meet where your clients or future clients are, right? If you're a WordPress person, then so be it. But also learn what's also outside of WordPress. So that's what I'm trying to learn right now, is what is life like for people in the Wix Studio community. It's just more and more I'm seeing these tweets and hearing the community like, oh, this is better than this. Oh, and it's like, who cares? Help your client. Like, I had to turn down clients who are saying, hey, I need you to help maintain my site. Okay, where's it at? I can only do Webflow. Oh, it's on WordPress. Oh, why don't you move over to Webflow? No, there's too much legacy data. Now I lost because I didn't learn enough about continually learning about the WordPress world. But yeah, so start off niche and then branch out. So is it worth it to learn Wix? Yeah, why not? All right, so I can't save as, okay, I can save. There we go. Auto save is already on. Yeah, let's just publish anyway. Great, it's published. So I have one post. Let's make another. Book vacation in space. Next, travelers. Funny, sure, why not? 2 images, create post. Okay, finalizing the layout. I like this animation. It's kind of Siri-ish. Cool. Publish. All right, let's make one more. Create a... Yes. Where's my image? Come on, AI. Let's go. Why traveling in space is the new hotness. Personal story. Travelers. 500. Casual. Enthusiastic. There we go. Cool. All right. We are 40 minutes into this stream. I think we'll be able to look at responsive soon. Couldn't upload the featured image. Try again. You're the one who made it, not me. Add image. Okay. Let's do this. Space. Okay, there we go. Publish. What happened to that broken image? Wait, what happened to this image? Add to page. Cool. Okay, I fixed it for you. To be clear, I'm a WordPress and Webflow expert with above average coding ability and understanding. Just wondering if the platform itself is powerful enough to add to. So far, I mean, I'm kind of understanding it. It's just different UI and it's doing the same things as all other platforms. But will it get to where I want faster? I can't make that decision right now. But like I said, start to learn it, start to see what it's like and make that decision for yourself. And if it's something that you can offer to your current or future clients, then hey, that's just more leads for you. Okay. So we have this, and I don't like the padding. Padding. Where's padding? Ah, right here. Okay. I can't click and drag. I have to click. Ooh. There's no click and drag. You have to type it in. Okay, 10. Guessing 10. That's too much. 5? Okay. Now I want all of these to be bigger. What? Oh, okay. If you double click, you're managing that blog post. No, thank you. I want to make these wider. Ugh. Okay, so I want to make these wider. So I have to think like a developer, but not think like a developer at the same time. Blog post list. Interesting that they don't show you the elements within it. Because I have the section. I totally understand a section. That's a div. This post list, that's a div. Where are my cards? Where are my cards at? Stretch. Okay. I'm confused. What did stretch do? You saw that. Okay. Okay, now it's centered. Okay, if I go like this. Interesting. No, not good. No, I want... Okay. Okay. I need to find a longer playlist. Anyways. Okay, so I'm confused as to why if I go beyond 1,000 or 1080 on the container width, that it adds another column for me. But yeah, this is interesting. So it's a widget. You can't actually customize them a lot. You need to go to settings for that. So usually the way around it is to create a widget from scratch. Interesting. So that's how they think about it. I'm looking for widgets. I'm looking for a widget. Yeah. Okay, well... Display, settings, design, posts. Okay. So it's a lot of... So I'm seeing what Wix Studio is doing. It's a lot of don't worry about the code. We'll handle it for you, which a lot of these low-code tools are doing. What I've seen when people are debating Framer versus Webflow, I haven't dove into Framer yet, but I keep hearing that Framer is more for graphic designers who want to make simple sites, and Webflow is more for developers that want a lot more control over CSS. So, yeah, I feel like this is like in between Framer and Webflow. This is what I'm feeling right now. It's a lot of hand holding, but they give you access to all the CSS with what I'm seeing down here. Janae saying, I need a repeater. Okay. Okay. So repeater is like a collection list in Webflow. So let me attach, delete. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. So we have that. There are cards. Add. Oh, no. I don't want to add an item. Connect to CMS. This is making sense. Yep. This makes sense. Dataset name. Sure. Post dataset. Oh, okay. Now you're building it from scratch. I see. I want to connect this to... I want to connect this to the CSS or to CMS as well. Okay. Going above my head right now with the scratch. So now I understand why they have it done for you immediately. I get it. Because you want to just quickly build something. If you're doing something simple, like what I'm trying to do, it's just like section content, section content. But they still have ways to do things from scratch. So I'm going to call this one done, but it's not centered. Not a fan of it. Can we close this? There we go. But let's keep going. So we kind of got these. Let me get the H2 up in there. No, I don't want to publish. Add text. This should be simple. I want an H2. Why is it position? Why is it position absolute? Okay, I want to make the... Okay, choose a layout. I want it vertically stacked. So what I learned is you can select both and stack vertically. I like that. What if I click the symbol and grow? I don't know. Let's just keep going. Trying to figure out why this is there. Interesting. Why is this post list? Okay, what I'm trying to figure out why this text is hiding. Font size, formatting, line height. They're using M's. That's cool. Found it right here. For some reason, it had a negative margin. Can I drag that down? No dragging. Only click and typing. Not a fan of that. All right, there we go. And we're going. So I have about 11 minutes left on this stream. But I'm getting it. I feel like I'm getting a little bit faster. I want a regular text. I want higher. There we go. And this text is going to say updates. And then under here, collapsible text. Ooh, that's cool. Accordions right off the bat. Text marquees, text mask already off the bat. That's cool. All right, let's do this one. And why are you there? Attach. Interesting. All right, and get this text. Okay, now We're getting somewhere. Now let's add another button. I feel like I'm getting a little bit faster. And this button is going to attach. Feeling it, feeling it. Let's go bring you here. View all posts. Links to page, choose page, blog. Yep, I'm feeling that. Now I'm going to click both of these. And I want to stack. And they're going to be horizontal. Now I want to make this full width. I want to click this and just say auto. Min width, width is always, stack width is always set to auto. Okay. Is this by pixels? Yeah, it is. It should 2M. Interesting. And it has that asterisk. You have negative margin in the stack. I think you were talking about something else. Oh, I was getting fast with it too. Can this stack... I feel like this stack right here is... Okay, no, I was wrong. I want this to be full width. No, I don't want sticky. I do want horizontal. But I want full width so I can push this button all the way to the right. No. No. Give me full width. Can I just say auto? No? 100%? I broke it. Interesting. I feel like we got far with this. It's a lot of learning, and which I enjoy. Yeah. And what I'm going to do with these live streams is I'm going to cut them up and put highlights later. And, you know, just show off what I've learned. Rather than, you know, if you want to see me fumble unscripted, you can watch this live stream. If you want to just watch the highlight reel, there's that too. So that's why I do these live streams. Quick ad. Interesting. Quick ad. Title. That's cool. I don't know if doing it this way makes a lot of sense. Like having to drag. Ugh, it gets out of the container. So I have to try to figure it out? No, not a fan. Because if I... Oh, wait. Yeah, see? Right here? It's broken. No bueno. Oh, wow. Confused. Undo all the things. So that does that. That makes sense. You want to... Full width, please. No. Okay, I'll leave it like that for now. So we got pretty far. Let's just look at responsive now. Does it make stuff responsive for me? Yeah. Let's see if I can change the focus. Can I change to scale to fill? I can. Okay. That's responsive. Cool. They immediately give you a search when you add a blog component to this. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. What if I want to move it? Okay, that makes sense. If I go here, yep. So you're playing with CSS. All right. Let's do this. What if I take this and say, let's see here. That's fine. Ooh, that's not fine. Look how small that is. Yeah. Well, at least I can see CSS breakpoints working. What if I don't want to see this? Can I display none? Please? Display none. Interesting. Position type. They don't have a display block, inline, whatever. Again, I'm thinking like a developer. I guess I can make it smaller and move it. Oof. Yeah. Let me just delete it. Hide elements on this break. Select hide. Hide. Yeah, I can't find hide. Yeah. Right click hide. There it is. Okay. So it's not in the styles. It is. So hide just means it's like a function or something, whereas this one is a style. Okay, I get that. But it's here, but then we're going to hide it. And yeah. Okay. Okay. 3 dots. Thank you, Janae. All right. And let's look at our blog. Okay, where's our blog posts? Here we go. That's what I want. Okay. It sets up a lot for... Oh, wow, okay. It has this too, has comments. So it sets up a lot for you. It does a lot of hand-holding. I could see how fast you can create a site with Wix. And it makes sense. It's just a different way of thinking. Where it seems like with Wix Studio, it's more about relying on things that are already templatized to help you going faster on these simple sites and not relying much on the style panel. And I think that's on purpose because when I first loaded the blank page, the only thing I saw was the canvas and the left toolbar. The styles are collapsed. They're hidden on the right. So right here, when you first create a new site, the styles are hidden right here. And I think they do that on purpose because they don't want to overwhelm you when it's your first go. But as you start to learn what one button does and another button, then more buttons start to make sense. So I'm going to dive into Wix Studio a little bit more in future videos. Should you learn it? I mean, why not? It's only going to help you. Will this help in your business? I think so, because again, it'll make you more flexible to meet more clients down the road. Start off niche and then branch out. I mean, that's what a lot of businesses do. I mean, take YouTube, for example. You have YouTube starting with videos. That's their niche. And then, hey, Instagram started to do reels and stories and stuff. And Snapchat started to do stories. So they started to branch out from their niche. And then you have TikTok, who was doing stuff where it's like Instagram reels or something. But now I think they're branching out to do full videos or longer videos. I mean, everyone is just doing the same thing. So, yeah, niche first and then branch out. But this has been fun. Let me publish this and see. Get a free Wix Studio. Makes sense. I'm going to call this My First Go. Save and continue. Cool. View site. Not too bad. Hey, copy. I can't paste into here. There we go. Cool. So there's my first go. Thank you all so much for watching me fumble through this. Ooh, interesting. I mean, there's a lot more to learn. But I was really nervous to go into this. Because I'm like, I feel like a fool. I feel like a failure. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. But then again, in the end, no one knows what they're doing. everyone is just making it up and trying their best. But then when you fail, there's a learning opportunity, and you learn from that. You click on a button and you're like, why did I click it? What happened? Reset. Let me try that click again, but this time with more knowledge. So take each step as a learning opportunity. You're going to fail through life. You're going to not like what you see, but that's part of learning. And that's what I'm sharing with you. I am learning. That was my first actual moment of stepping into a new platform. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helped you. You all helped me. Thank you, Janae X Adam, Daniel. Who else is here? Austin, Art, people from LinkedIn, Jasmine and Claude. Y'all are wonderful people. Thank you all so much for being here. I'm gonna stream some more. Gonna make more videos back on this YouTube channel, and I really appreciate you all. So with that being said, thank you all, and I'll see you next one. And thanks for making the web beautiful.